You doing some tummy time? Yeah. You like your tummy time? You like your tummy time? I can take pictures in my video. Here. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby boy. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Are you getting tired? Oh, hi. Oh. Shake it next to his ear. He likes to hear it. What's that? Oh, are you gonna roll? Are you gonna roll over? Brian, look at this kid. He's not even 6 weeks old. Benjamin, are you gonna roll over right now? Wow, he's thinking about it.